Today I'll show you some of the best microjobs websites. You can join them for absolutely free and from anywhere in the world. In order to get every step right, just make sure to follow me till the end of this video. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are new to this channel that if you haven't already, to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on if you want to get notified whenever I upload brand new strategies just like these ones. Of course, you can even give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of content, and you can leave any question or opinion about this video in a comment down below. Without any further ado, let's now start with this video so I can show you every single source. And of course, you need to follow me till the end because you can get easily lost and confused since I'm going to show you multiple sources. So I'm going to just start right away with the very first source for today, which is called HiveMicro. This is over at HiveMicro.com. You can see that you can make extra money through small jobs, and you can do this anywhere, anytime, and from any device because they give you the possibility to download their app on App Store and Google Play Store, and you can make it work from your Android or iOS device. By scrolling down, you're going to notice how it works. First of all, you're going to sign up for a free account, even with a Facebook profile if you want to, then apply for jobs, and you're going to just work on tasks in the job that you have unlocked and get paid. You can see that they pay you weekly via PayPal or Bitcoin, and some of the tasks are draw a box around an object, categorize the scene in an image, transcribe audio to text, and so on. There are many types of jobs, and you can also see that their community consists of more than 1.5 million of users and from more than 200 of countries in the world, and they have earned altogether more than $2 million. You can even check out the testimonials over here and also the FAQ section to learn more about this platform. In order to create an account, you need to click on the sign up button in the upper right corner. After that, just put your full name, an email address, a password, confirm the password, choose your country, and I want to show you that this works all around the world. Then you need to choose a language. How did you find about them? You can say YouTube. Then you can just agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, agree to the fact that you are over the age of 18, complete the captcha and click on the submit button. And of course, you can even continue with your Facebook account if you want to. So this was the first platform that I wanted to show you today. I'm going to proceed to the second one, which is called Microworkers, and it's over at microworkers.com. Even this platform offers you the possibility to just work with them by completing some tasks. As you can see, they have more than 3 million of workers all around the world, and they are completing millions of tasks. And as you can see, they offer a variety of tasks actually. So you can just scroll down and see what you can do in this platform. You can even click on use this. You can just learn more about this task that you want to complete. And I guess that all of you that are watching this video can find here some tasks that are suitable for you, that you can know how to do, because there are a lot of them. Of course, you need to create an account for absolutely free by clicking in the register button in the upper right corner. Then you need to just put your first name, middle name, which is optional actually, you can just leave it empty, then put your last name. Then it is required to just put your birth date, email address, and a password. You can leave the gender and company optional. As you can see, you can leave it blank. You can leave the gender and company blank since it's optional, as you can see. Then you need to put an address, your zip code, city, state, and also the country of residence. You can just see that it is available all around the world. Then you need to just go over to the worker subscription. You can just tick the relevant box that you want, and then you can just register here by clicking on the submit button. And of course, you need to agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy first. And I want to mention that this platform has been around since the year 2009, so they've been around for quite some time now, which shows how legit this platform is. So this was the second one. I'm going to proceed to the third platform for today that you can use to complete some macro jobs and get paid. This is over at Clickworker.com. Right away, I want you to go over to the Clickworker job area since it's relevant for us and we want to work over here. You can see that you can profit from your talents. This is a platform that is always looking for internet users worldwide, which is very important. And you can just create or correct text, participate in surveys, and so on. We're going to see all of those tasks available right away. You can see, for example, how it works. You can just sign up for a free account. Then you need to just start working. You can work independently with a flexible schedule, and all you need is a computer and or mobile device with an internet connection. Since they offer an app on App Store and Google Play Store, so you can even use your mobile phone if you want to. Then it's you who decide when and how much you want to work on a freelance basis. So it's pretty awesome actually. And let's see what kind of jobs you can do. For example, you can do text creation, categorization, copy editing, surveys, proofreading, research, mystery visit, app testing, photo capturing, audio and video recordings, and you can just read about all of these by just clicking on more about. You're going to see how it works. After signing up, you're going to fill out your user profile, complete this assessment, and get good results in order to make even more money, and then you're going to get paid on a weekly or monthly basis through PayPal as well. So this was another platform that you can get paid by completing micro jobs. Let me proceed to another one called Sproutgigs. This is over at Sproutgigs.com. You can see that this is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners from all around the world with easy to do affordable tasks. They have active members in more than 250 different countries, so it is available worldwide. You need to do some micro jobs including testing an app, helping promote content, data collection, and many more. You can see that you can even complete surveys, offers, you can promote some products or brands, you can even put some gigs if you want to, and so on. And also they offer a possibility to promote this platform and get paid through their affiliate marketing. And as you can see, you're going to get paid in passive income 5% of a referral fee. Of course, in order to get started, just go over to the sign up button in the upper right corner, and then you just need to start putting your information. For example, your real name, email address, a password, confirm the password, a nickname, your country. Let me show you that this is available all around the world. Then you're going to select your profile type, which is going to be a worker, of course, agree to the terms of service, and click on the sign up button. You can even go over to this section, freelance and earn, to see payment proofs of this platform. They are getting paid through different payment methods, PayPal included, and are making decent amounts of money actually. So you can do the same thing by putting the right dedication to this platform. Another platform is called Remotasks. It's over at remotasks.com. Even this one is available worldwide, and of course you're going to just do some tasks just like labeling images, transcribing audios. And of course I want to mention something that is very important, which is that you're going to get free training. Actually, they're going to just teach you how to do the task, and no prior experience is required. You can even start as a beginner, and the more difficult the task is, the more money you're going to make. You're going to have flexible hours, and of course you're going to work from anywhere in the world and from the comfort of your home if you want to. Just click on the sign up button in order to create an account for absolutely free. And I'm going to proceed to the last platform for today, which is called Rapidworkers, and it's over at rapidworkers.com. You're going to see that this kind of tasks here are just like following someone on Twitter, just liking some YouTube videos, or even playing some online games and so on. You're going to just do all of the jobs that you're going to browse. It's you who's going to select the jobs that you want, finish the task, you're going to submit proof, earn money, and they pay you even through PayPal. So all of this platform pay you through PayPal money, which is pretty awesome because you can combine all of them if you want to and make the most money and see your PayPal balance growing again and again. So with that said, guys, this was the last platform for today. I really hope that you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and also subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.